What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a completely redesigned Note 20 Ultra, but his screen will not be bent as much as the previous version. Recall that since the release of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, the manufacturer has added stylus support to the flagship model of the Galaxy S line. The authoritative insider ICE Universe, which often publishes accurate information about Samsung innovations, has posted new information about the top flagship Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to the ICE Universe, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a completely redesigned Note 20 Ultra. The insider clarified that the smartphones are similar in appearance as well as in functionality. Recall that since the release of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, the manufacturer has added stylus support to the flagship model of the Galaxy S line. He also added that the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's screen will not be curved as much as the Note 20 Ultra's display. It has already been confirmed that the display curvature of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is less than that of the Note 20 Ultra. Perhaps the display is curved just like the Note 10 Plus, or even less, said by ICE Universe. Also, the power of all 108 megapixels. Samsung will finalize the corresponding mode in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. In the Galaxy S21, it is not rich in the features. The well-known insider ICE Universe has shared new information about the camera of the upcoming flagship Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to him, the Korean giant will improve the details of the 108 megapixels mode. You might think that we are talking about the increasing the details of images in 108 megapixel mode. However, apparently, this is not the case. Another source believes that Samsung will improve the camera software when shooting in 108 megapixel mode. Now the Galaxy S21 Ultra, when switching to this mode, smartphone practically does not offer any functions. In particular, you cannot switch between cameras and there is no advanced Pro mode. The source believes that this is exactly what Samsung will work on. Recall, according to the same insider, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will receive the main 108 megapixel 1.33 inches optical format sensor, 12 megapixel wide and a pair of 10 megapixel telephoto cameras, one of which will be a periscope. ICE Universe has provided accurate information on Samsung smartphones and image sensors many times, including the recent announcement of the new 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel sensors. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.